In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize your affiliate sign-up page with your branding in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to take your affiliate program to the next level and ensure your sign-up page reflects your brand, this guide is for you. Stick with me until the end for an exclusive offer that will help you follow along with the exact tools we're using here. First things first, you'll want to log into your affiliate platform where you'll find the page editor for your sign-up form. Most platforms will give you a basic generic sign-up page, but what we want to do is make it yours by adding your unique branding. This step is crucial because it builds trust and makes the sign-up experience feel professional and cohesive with your brand. Once you're logged in, navigate to the customization or design settings for your affiliate sign-up page. Here's where you'll begin tweaking things to match your branding. Start by adding your brand logo to the top of the page. This will instantly make the page feel familiar to your affiliates, like they're on your website rather than a generic form. Next, change the color scheme. You want the colors to match your business colors, which will make everything look seamless. If your business uses blue and white, for example, make sure your sign-up page reflects that. This is a simple but powerful way to make your affiliate page feel part of your brand ecosystem. Now, let's move on to fonts. You want to keep things consistent here too. Use the same fonts you're using on your website to give your affiliates a clean, unified look. Most platforms let you change font styles, sizes, and colors, so adjust it to match your current branding guidelines. If you're not sure which fonts to use, pick something simple and easy to read. Don't go for overly decorative fonts, as they can hurt readability and professionalism. Adding a background image can also be a great way to enhance the look of your affiliate sign-up page. Make sure the image you choose aligns with your brand and doesn't clutter the page or distract from the form itself. A simple, clean image or a solid color backdrop can be highly effective. Be mindful of the file size to ensure the page loads quickly. Another great way to customize your affiliate sign-up page is by adding custom fields that align with your brand's needs. If you want to gather specific information from your affiliates, such as their marketing channels or their level of experience, most platforms will let you add those fields. Custom fields make it easier for you to know your affiliates better and tailor your communication accordingly. Once you've customized the visual elements, make sure the call to action buttons are standing out. This is where you can really shine in driving your affiliates to take action. Make your CTA button prominent with a contrasting color and compelling text, like Join Now or Get Started Today. It should be clear and easy to find. The last thing you want to do is review your changes to ensure everything is consistent with your brand's message and style. Preview your page to make sure the layout looks good across both desktop and mobile. In today's mobile-first world, it's vital that your sign-up page is fully responsive and easy to use on any device. Before you go, don't forget, if you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial for you to try the software we're using today. This trial is only available to my viewers, so check the description below to take advantage of that offer. Now, here's the key takeaway. Customizing your affiliate sign-up page with your branding is essential for creating a cohesive and professional experience for your affiliates. Focus on your logo, colors, fonts, and the overall feel of the page, and make sure everything matches your brand's identity. To recap, start with the basics: logo, color scheme, and fonts. Add a background image if appropriate. Customize the form with additional fields if needed, and don't forget to make the call to action button stand out. And once again, don't forget to check out that free trial linked below. It's a great way to follow along and implement these steps on your own affiliate page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.